Hello there and welcome back to Crystal Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, like and subscribe. We've got loads of bikes coming, lots of classics, lots of modern, weird and wonderful stuff all coming at you. Today I've got the 1989 Yamaha YZ125. As far as the bike genre goes, this is not my area of expertise at all. Even more so than the old British stuff that's not my area. This is even more so. Don't know much about these. I've owned a few of them, but I don't know much about them. My colleague Chris, it's more his thing than mine. But I can tell you a little bit about this particular one. In 2019 it had a fairly comprehensive kind of rebuild. The wheels were relaced. There's actually some spare spokes with this particular bike, and the engine had a fairly decent, new rings, etc. Build going on there as well, clutch plates, etc., etc. And that was in 2019. It's a lovely looking bike. I do like the graphics, fairly local, Chesterfield Yamaha. Looks good. Like I say, relatively new chain sprockets there as well. Don't think it's had much use since they were fitted. But a good classic, good future classic there. It looks all straight and as it should. Sounds great. I've run out of fuel, so I can't start this one. Earlier on I couldn't start one because I've come in wrong footwear. Now I can't start one because I've got no fuel. It's going to be one of them days, I can tell. But overall, a nice clean 1989 YZ125. I can offer nationwide and international delivery on this vehicle. Finance we might struggle on because it's not road registered and it's a bit of a classic, but we can also always have a look at it for you. So yeah, if you've got any questions on this bike, give me a call. If I don't know the answer, I'll find the answer. Give us a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, crystalmotorcycles@googlemail.com. But it's all here, and it is a nice looking bike. And like I say, it starts and runs lovely. But I've just completely ran out of fuel in the building today, so I've got myself a bit stuck there if I need any. Alternatively, if you want to come down and look at the vehicle, more than welcome. Pop on down, give us a call before you come down to look at it, just to make sure it's in stock and available. So yeah, nice short video today on this. It's got a Haynes manual. Just scoot over here, excuse the loads of invoices here for the build that was done. And I'm looking at the receipts, they're all 2019. There's some sizable ones as well, but yeah, there's plenty of receipts there. I've got a Haynes manual as well, so it's all there, ready to rock and roll. Like I said, there's a few spare spokes with this bike as well. 1989 Yamaha YZ125. I think it's an N, but someone in the comments below will tell me that, no problem at all. But it's a nice looking bit of kit in stock. Any questions, give us a call. Thank you very much for watching, I do appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. We've got lots more coming at you very soon. Have a good day folks, stay safe. Cheers.